Humble greetings to everyone currently viewing this slide. Hi, I'm Alvin, and today I'm presenting this slide on behalf of my team, Superheroes. Today, I will be giving you a brief introduction and a summary on our project, litter detection. This is a problem statement. It is a frequent sight to seeing people throwing banana peels, tin cans, plastic covers and bottles on the public roads every day. Many people while going on roads spit there and throw vapors and other wastes directly on the road. It is disappointing to see the laziness and indifference of people ruining our environment. Birds and animals consume these waste products, confusing it for food. They don't usually survive. As responsible citizens, we propose the creation of a system that automatically detects cases of littering, allowing the authorities in charge to take necessary action. These are the currently existing solutions contrary to ours. These are what we currently observe. We keep stop littering signs in the public. We put waste in litter bins. Then education is also a crucial part in this. We educate the public about how we should be protecting the environment, how we should be recycling the waste, and all those things. So now let's talk about our software. First of all, our system uses the wonders of modern computing vision technology to detect cases of littering from camera video streams. It uses object detection to detect objects that are likely to be trash. It then logs these instances of littering and creates a report in human-readable format. This report then can be forwarded to the appropriate authorities. These authorities then can take appropriate actions against the perpetrators according to the law of the land. Much like car speeding limit, this may cause lawbreakers to think twice before littering, and our environment will surely benefit of this. We use OpenCV library for object detection, Python as the core of the subject, and we have also used a database of images of items that are likely to be litter. Tins, cans, plastic bottles, and plastic bags, etc. have been such products have been included in the library, and more more objects can also be added as the system gains adoption. So this is all about our project, um, and thank you all for giving your precious time to listen to my presentation. Thank you all.